This is my order from BRC Nails, Tips and Pieces. And I'm also gonna show you what I got from Boo Boo's Glitter Glory. And both these ladies are going to sponsor my giveaway that's coming up. And I'm still waiting on one sponsor to send me what she's going to put in the giveaway. And then I'll post the giveaway. That figures. I got glitter out and I always spill it. Okay, this is her card. And it's a thank you, and thank you for your support. And she put in some freebies. And hope you enjoy those as well. Thanks again, Brandy, BRC Nails. And then this is her card. She does press-on nails also. But I will have her information down in the description box if you'd like to go check out her social media and her store. Okay, I ordered this pink Louis Vuitton, Nike, Chanel, Prada, Versace, Gucci. Nice bright pink for a summer set. This is her packaging. Okay, let me figure this out. Okay, I ordered these little, they look like abalone, I don't know how you pronounce that, but really pretty. It's gonna look pretty on a nail. And then I've got these rose gold little doodads. And rose gold hearts. They're so tiny. They're going to look beautiful on a set though. I'm really loving the rose gold lately. And then I got these oval ones. They're just smaller than these. And then I got the rose gold little pointy ones here. And I got silver ones. And the coolest thing I got, let me take them out of the little baggie here. Are these Louis Vuitton spinners. And I like that they're not huge. I know some people like huge, but look at that. Yay. I love those. I love those. I'm going to just slide off my nails. I wanted you to see the size. But yeah, see, they're not too big. Thank you, Brandy. And then the freebies, she sent me these pearls. There's like a grayish silver and a white and then a light pink. And I don't know what color that is. Rose goldish maybe? Cool, cool. And then she sent me these little gold pieces. Nice size. And then she sent me these rose gold, I don't know what these are called, but they're cool looking. Put a stone in the middle of that, or another little doodaddy. Oh, I like those. And then she sent me these. They say Savage. Cute. Reminds me of Savage Granny Claus. She's not with us anymore. Thank you very much, Brandy. And then she sent me this marble foil. Very pretty. My favorite color, blue. Blue or pink. So, that's from Brandy's store. And like I said, she's going to sponsor my giveaway, and I will put up a picture of what she's sponsoring when I do the video. And hopefully it'll be soon, because I've been wanting to do it. Now, Boo Boo's Glitter Glory. I ordered my birthday Sapphire gift set, and then I ordered the $25 gift bag. This is the receipt for what I ordered. This is the Sapphire September Set, which is my birthday. Come on out. She double bags it, so that's really nice in case there's a spill, but looks like a multi-cut. Very pretty. Oh, that's so gorgeous. And it's 6 grams. And this is my flowers. One is Aster in Morning Glory, meaning symbolizes in beliefs. Once thought to guard against evil and poisoning, believed to protect those close to you from harm, loyalty, and trust. And then back here, it's got my planet signs, I guess you would say. My zodiac. Virgo, the Virgin, is Earth, and my planet is Mercury. Rules Gemini and Virgo. Planet of intellect, logic, perception, thinking, and communication. The zodiac characteristics are modest and shy, meticulous and reliable, practical and diligent, intelligent and analytical, fussy and a worrier, overcritical and harsh, perfectionist and conservative. Cute. And this is my gems she put together for my birthday month. Oh, those are pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at those sparkle. I need something to put these in so you can see them. Oh, my little thingies just, well, you know, I can't do a video without making a mess, but my little beads just came out the end. But that's those. And most of them are flat back. Well, there's some flat back, and then there's some that aren't flat back, pointies. But I use both, so it don't matter to me. So that's what you get when you order your month that you were born. You get your birthstone, and she throws in some other stuff with it. Makes a nice little mix, really pretty. And then for the grab bag, she sent and these are all double bagged too. But these are the zodiac signs, Femos. And I don't have anything like that. And then these are clouds. That's so cool. Little Femo clouds. I've never seen those before. But awesome. And then these are little flower Femos. And they look like they're really thin. She did a good job on those. Nice and thin. Love those. And then there's the glow in the dark pigments. There's blue, green. Looks like probably a reddish pink, and then orange. Which I don't have any glow in the dark pigments, so that's nice to add to my collection of stuff. And then this is the last bag. There's October's birth month, which is Opal. And you know, the funny thing is I was looking at the stuff that's my kids' birth months, and this is one of them. I almost got it. I did put it in my cart, and then I took it back out because I was limited on money, and I figured I'd just get it next time. But isn't that gorgeous? And then this one's glow in the dark, and it's Earth, which is Earth is my sign, which I think is really cool. I was going to order it too, but it wasn't on the site yet. So awesome that you sent me this boo-boo, because I wanted it. It's got blues and greens. And then the glow-in-the-dark powder in there. I can't wait to see that. I can't wait to see how it glows in the dark. And then this one is glow-in-the-dark too, and it's Jupiter. Yeah, she was looking at, or I was looking at all this stuff. And she happened to send it to me, so that's so weird. But look at this one. It's got like light blue, gold, you can't really see it for what it really is until it goes on a nail. So I will have to do swatches of these and then show how they glow. And this one I had in my cart too. This one's called Sun, and it's another glow in the dark. She has a glow in the dark collection, and she sent me 3 of those. And I'm so happy. This is Leo sign. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Perfect. Perfect name too. This has got like iridescent yellow. And it's got some oranges in there. Oranges, yellows. I think it's like dark oranges. It may be red. I'm not sure. I will have to swatch. Yeah, it looks like it's got a little red in there. Thank you, Danya. I think I pronounced your name right. For everything you sent me. I love everything. I can't wait to play with it. Danya also is going to put a $25 gift bag in sponsoring my giveaway. So you'll get something like this, minus that, but something like this. So make sure you look out for that video. $25, grab bag. That's really awesome that she's sponsoring that. She's so sweet. So is Brandy. They're both really sweet ladies. I will have their links down in the description box. Go check out their stores. Check out their social media sites and look at their nail art. I know Danya, she does beautiful acrylic sets. So does her ambassadors. Really gorgeous work. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.